Budgeters, this is an interesting video. So this video will be highlighting the new link in bio that I have subsequently added to help improve our efficiency in terms of our digital products and our collection of information and also our one-on-one consultation hours. So basically, I've been able to use a Linktree link in bio where I've been able to link all my social media. So my email is there, my WhatsApp is there, Telegram channel for budgeting NKE, YouTube, everything is there. You can see the links as well for the coaching sessions, anonymous budget breakdown form, monthly budget tracking template form, and the rest of the other digital products. The reason we did it like this, and my team was really supportive in this transition, is to be able to help us receive your information from our side, like with the form below, and then it will also give us time to also give you guys feedback without having to come to my DMs or come to me on WhatsApp or whatever. So when you automatically fill the forms, I get the information. For this particular anonymous breakdown form, I wanted to highlight it again because I wanted to show you guys if you need to feed it with numbers, not figures, not data. Like, don't tell me yes you pay rent or answer yes no. That's not the information I need. I need your numbers so that I can be able to break down your budgets for you and they can be featured on our channel. This is an example of, as well, of an order form that we've now implemented. You do need to be able to share your M-Pesa confirmation. We will counter check on our side to be able to grant you access to any of our digital products, which again eliminates the DMs or reaching out on WhatsApp.